Hey guys, Akshay here from Gadget Diary, and today we have something exclusive with us. I'm not sure if somebody else has done this, but if not, you will watch the first unboxing of Jio Phone 2, which has been launched recently and it went on sale as well. And we have the retail package with us. This is the Indian retail package. You can see Jio Digital Life. And the first box seems like a packaging box, not the retail unit box. Inside this might be the real retail unit box. So let's cut through all the seals and then we'll show you all the content that you get in the retail package. Now you can buy JioPhone 2 for around 2,999 plus shipping charges that you might need to pay. And yes, this is the retail package, and you can see JioPhone 2. This is the new variant. We also have the JioPhone 1 with us, and we did the unboxing for that as well, and we will try to compare it, what are the changes in the JioPhone 2, though it looks very different with this QWERTY keypad. Here you can see all the information. It comes with these Jio services, Jio features, and these are the specifications. You get 2.4-inch QVGA TFT display, 2 megapixel plus VGA camera, so you get both front and back camera, 512 MB RAM, 4 GB storage, 2000 mAh battery, supports SD card, and also has a headphone jack. That is an interesting thing. And again, this is being powered by Kai OS. We are also, I've just forgot to tell you that we are also giving away one Jio phone in this video. The unit we are testing, we are giving away this Jio Phone 2, and if you want to win one, make sure you watch the complete video so that you know all the steps and how you can win one. So let me just quickly remove the shrink wrapping and take out the box contents. So here are the contents of the Jio Phone 2 Indian retail unit. The first thing is the phone, and it reminds me of BlackBerry for some reason. Maybe if you have used the BlackBerry devices, the old 9000 series, it looks very similar to those devices. You get a QWERTY keypad over here. You have a 4-way navigation button over here, accept and reject, and it feels light in weight, very light in fact. I'm sure the battery is not inserted as of now, and you can see the live branding. We will be setting it up and discussing more about it. Then you can see all the apps that you get: My Jio, Jio Chat, Jio Cinema, Jio TV, Jio Express, and there are a lot of plans available for Jio Phone 2. We won't be going into the details about all the plans in this video, but if you want, we can do a separate video for that. So these are all the contents. I'll just take them out at once. The first thing is the Jio Phone guide of F300B is the model number, I guess. Then you have the limited warranty, terms and conditions. I won't go through that as of now. Then this is the 2000 mAh battery. As I told you, the phone felt very light, so we were sure the battery was not inserted. And then you do have a standard charging adapter, and here you can see that it is a 700 milliamp at 5 volt charger, which is good enough at this price point. So these are the content that you will get in the Jio Phone 2 retail package. No earphones though. Let me quickly set it up and then I'll quickly give you the overview of Jio Phone and tell you how you can win a Jio Phone 2. Now if you are wondering why is the time being shown as 5:40 AM Thursday 1st Jan, that's because we haven't connected it to internet. The Jio SIM that we got in the device, it's not activated. I need to see how can we activate it. As per the website, we need to visit the official retailer and get that activated. So I'll either go there and record the experience and let you know how is the process, how simple it is to get it activated, or maybe we can use the other Jio SIM that we already have. So here is the Jio Phone 2. Talking first about the design and build quality, the phone feels very compact in hand. In fact, it is very small in nature. This is a camera lens cap, and you can see 2 lens cap can completely hide the phone. It's very compact. You get this 2.4-inch QVGA display over here, and then a QWERTY keypad. The complete QWERTY keypad is over here, 4-way navigation button over here. Then you do have the option to use the Google Assistant, which is there in this device. You can use English or Hindi. Now you do have multiple keys over here, so you can long press this button to launch Jio Money application, or you can simply press it once to go into the alert section. The two things that you see over here, alerts and contacts, so these two buttons on the top work for them. Then you have the on off button. You can also turn off or on the device using the long press for the red button. Then you get the complete QWERTY keypad over here. On the back you have a 2 megapixel camera, speaker outlet, flash, and if you open the back panel, you will find that there is a battery, and once you remove the battery, here you can see you get 2 SIM card slots and 1 micro SD card slot. It supports 128 gigs of storage in micro SD card slot, so that's a good thing. So let me just snap that back on. In terms of application, you get a lot of applications mostly from Jio, but you do have the Facebook available. Then you do have the Jio store. Currently we didn't see WhatsApp on this device. We will see if the WhatsApp application is now available on Jio store for the device. Then you do have camera, music, Jio video, SMS, etc. In terms of camera application, we did capture few images. I'll quickly capture it again. So this was using the rear camera. So if I go back and go into the preview section, so you can see it's okayish image, not very impressive. We can get better camera smartphones at 4000 to 5000 where you start getting 5 megapixel at least. So if you can spend some more amount, you can get a better smartphone in terms of camera experience. Again, this is a basic phone meant for the users who are going to opt for their first phone, who wants internet connectivity, who wants a lot of Jio applications like Jio movies, Jio TV, etc. and who wants a lot of data at a very affordable price. Now if I talk about the front camera, I can switch between the front and the rear camera easily. So there is the front camera, and the front camera works well. If you shake it a bit, it comes out to be blurry, but in most cases it works fine. If I go into the gallery section, if I can locate it, yeah, here you can see all the images, and you can see the previous snap that we clicked using the front camera was better than this one, just because we moved a bit in this image. Now you do have Jio application as mentioned, and if we talk about the typing experience, I'll go into the SMS application and I'll select a new message. So in terms of typing experience, it is a bit interesting. You get a tactile feedback over here, and you need some time to get used to this keyboard again. If if you have been using a QWERTY keypad, or if you have been using a normal feature phone, then you might get used to it very fast. But if you are using a touchscreen and you go on this device, it is a bit difficult to type initially. It's a bit crammed up as well. You can see my hands are big, so it takes a lot of space. My fingers, I can easily press 2 buttons at the same time. It's a bit crammed up, but this is how a QWERTY keypad works. You have to get used to it, but once you start using it, you can see you can type very fast. I hope I typed okay. I did a lot of mistakes, so I'll just go back and delete that. Akshay Gadget Diary, that's it. So how you can win one? It's very simple. All you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our other Hindi channel. I'll add the link in the description section below. You need to make sure you subscribe to both the channels, like this video and share this video. After doing these 3 steps, all you need to do is leave a comment below. Why do you want Jio Phone 2, or which is the best feature that you like about the Jio Phone 2, whether it's data that you get with the phone, whether it's this display, whether it is the price point, whether it is the QWERTY keypad experience, or whatever it might be. All you need to do is you just need to tell us why do you want to win Jio Phone 2, which is the best feature, anything about the Jio Phone 2, and we will pick one winner after 2 weeks, and it might take some more time to announce the winners, and we are yet to announce the Samsung Galaxy On 8 winners. We will be announcing that very soon. That's all for this video. Hope you participate. Best of luck to everyone, and we will be coming up with more giveaways very soon. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.